Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of Wi-Fi extenders with the TP-Link RE220. If you're tired of Wi-Fi dead zones and sluggish connections, this might just be your solution. Let's get into it. First off, the TP-Link RE220 is not your ordinary Wi-Fi extender. It's a dual-band powerhouse that offers up to 44% more bandwidth than single-band N300 extenders. That translates to faster and more reliable internet, covering up to 1,200 square feet. Plus, it can connect up to 30 devices simultaneously. Whether it's your smart TV, game console, or Alexa Echo, this extender has got you covered. Say goodbye to those frustrating Wi-Fi dead zones. With the TP-Link RE220, you can enjoy lag-free connections on all your devices, including wired ones via the fast Ethernet port. It's compatible with various operating systems, making it a versatile solution for your home or office. Setting up the RE220 is a breeze. It's as simple as 2 taps, and you're ready to connect. The smart indicator light helps you find the optimal location for installation, ensuring the best possible coverage. Here's where it gets interesting. The RE220 supports TP-Link's One Mesh technology, which enables the creation of a seamless network for roaming. When paired with the Archer A7 router, you can move around your home without worrying about dropped connections. The Ethernet port on the RE220 is a game-changer. It can turn your wired internet connection into a wireless access point, allowing you to expand your network's reach effortlessly. This feature is perfect for connecting devices like Blu-ray players, game consoles, or smart TVs. Need maximum performance? The RE220 offers a high-speed mode that dedicates one Wi-Fi band as backhaul and another as an access point. This means more bandwidth for your smart home devices, ensuring stable connections for security cameras, video doorbells, smart bulbs, and more. Aesthetics matter too. The RE220 boasts a sleek and compact design that blends seamlessly into your home decor. It's kid-friendly with no large external antennas, and you can even schedule the LED indicator to turn on or off according to your preferences. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. The RE220 plays nicely with any standard Wi-Fi router or access point you already have. No need to overhaul your existing network. Setting up the RE220 is a breeze. You can use the WPS button on your router or the extender, and the Tether app or web interface are there when you need them. There you have it, folks, the TP-Link RE220 Wi-Fi extender. Your ticket to banishing those Wi-Fi dead zones and enjoying faster, more reliable internet throughout your home. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, a strong Wi-Fi connection is just an extender away. Stay connected, and we'll catch you in the next video.